The B-2 Spirit has long been an icon of American air power, an aircraft that embodies stealth, precision, and raw strategic strength. In 2025, this flying wing continues to defy age and expectations with cutting-edge upgrades that make it more lethal and elusive than ever. Despite being introduced over 3 decades ago, the B-2 is proving that legends don't fade, they evolve. Stealth perfected, invisible in the skies. What makes the B-2 so formidable is its near invisibility to radar. Its sleek, radar-absorbent design has always made it the king of stealth. But in 2025, the Spirit has been fitted with even more advanced RAM, radar-absorbent material, and an AI-powered electronic warfare suite that can jam, deceive, or vanish from modern radar networks. It can fly deep into hostile territory without ever being seen or heard, earning it the nickname, the Ghost of the Sky. Unmatched range and payload. The B-2 isn't just about sneaking past enemy lines, it hits hard. With the ability to carry up to 40,000 pounds of conventional or nuclear weapons, it's capable of precision strikes anywhere on Earth. In 2025, integration with the new long-range standoff, LRSO, missile has given it even greater reach, allowing it to strike targets from thousands of miles away, without ever crossing into enemy airspace. Smart warfare with AI integration. One of the most groundbreaking upgrades in 2025 is the integration of artificial intelligence into mission planning and target identification. The B-2 now uses onboard AI to adapt to threats in real time, making it smarter and more responsive. Whether it's rerouting around enemy defenses or selecting optimal targets, the Spirit is no longer just a stealth bomber, it's a thinking machine. The future, still flying, still dominating. Even with the B-21 Raider slowly joining the U.S. Air Force's fleet, the B-2 Spirit remains a critical asset. Thanks to constant modernization, it will continue to fly well into the 2030s. In a world of drones and hypersonic weapons, the B-2 proves that silent strength, unmatched stealth, and strategic dominance never go out of style. Outro. The 2025 B-2 Spirit isn't just a bomber, it's a symbol. A symbol of technological supremacy, of silent power in the skies, and of America's unwavering commitment to maintaining air dominance. And for now, the Spirit still soars, unseen, unstoppable, and unmatched.